Are you looking for the best luxury luggage? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best luxury luggage on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bric's Expandable 27-inch Spinner. If you're looking for a luxe-checked bag that's not a trunk, this colorful Bric suitcase tops our list. Every hue was inspired by the Italian coast, fitting with the brand's Lake Como heritage. With a coordinating liner and wheels, we tested the sage green, but it also comes in light blue, sea green, and emerald. While the glossy finish did get an expected black scuff during testing, this light color has held up perfectly after being checked several times in the last year with its included stretchy black cover. When it came to the test itself, we were impressed by how flexible the outer shell is. This extra give made the bag feel stronger. When we clobbered it with a bat, the bat bounced off, and the suitcase itself seemed to nearly bounce as we hit the floor after we shoved it as well. This bag has become the go-to checked suitcase for our senior testing editor, who both tested it in the lab and has since taken it everywhere from Denver to Nantucket. She felt like the medium size reduced temptation to overpack, but it also has an additional 1.6 inches of expansion, if needed. In fact, this bag's 8-pound weight is lighter than many luxe carry-ons, nearly half its size, and its flexible hard-side exterior can allow you to squeeze in additional items, so it would be a solid choice if you're constantly pushing in 50-pound weight limit. The details: checked suitcase, 27 by 19 by 11 inches, 7.9 pounds, 83-liter capacity, expandable, 1.6 inches, for dual spinner wheels, polycarbonate with leather details, lifetime warranty. Number 2. Leatherology Kessler Large Duffle. Not only has Leatherology made stunning passport wallets, laptop cases, and other smaller leather goods since 2008, it also produces our favorite luxury duffel for a long weekend trip. During our tests, we were impressed by how supple the 100% leather felt. The bag is accented by 3 internal pockets, including a large zippered one and a slip pocket on the outside, which is perfect for a phone, small wallet, and passport on the go. During our test, we found it very roomy, noting that it could fit even more with strategic packing and the use of compression cubes. It's also a great alternative to a wheeled bag when you're trekking on cobblestones or want to hand carry a bag instead. Of course, as a huge fan of personalized luggage, this brand especially stands out for a range of monogramming options for your name or initials, including debossing, hand painting, and, my personal favorite, puffy trapunto stitching for your initials. I own a smaller leather weekender tote and find both hand carry styles to be a great alternative to a wheeled bag for those instances of uneven turf. Plus, these bags can double as an overnight bag for a short trip with the matching medium size, making a perfect gym bag. The details: duffel, 23 by 14.2 by 12 inches, large, double top handles and 5-foot adjustable shoulder strap, leather, 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. Zero Halliburton Classic Aluminum 3.0 International Carry-On 33L. Zero Halliburton is the brand we have to thank for the introduction of aluminum cases into our reality, and it's no surprise they've really honed in on a durable zipperless case that stands the test of time. We shoved this luggage from a chest-high table several times, and took a metal baseball bat to it. Of course, it got a few scratches and a minor dent, but not what one would expect after how rough we were. In fact, when directly targeting the latches and handles, our senior testing editor noted, "They were so strong, I feel like the bat would break before any part of the bag would break." Even after continuing to use this bag for more than 6 months, checking it on various airlines, we're impressed by its tip-top shape status with just a few scratches earned along the way. The internal organization consisted of 2 compression pads, so you'd need to rely on travel pouches and packing cubes to get more organized inside. After packing it, we swerved through an obstacle course where our only gripe was the slight delay of the wheels with the speed we wanted to move. If you want to invest in an aluminum bag that you don't want to be as precious about, especially if you have to check it in a last-minute gate check scenario, this is the luxury bag we'd suggest adding to your cart next. The details: carry-on, 22 by 14 by 9 inches, 11 pounds, 33-liter capacity, 4 dual spinner wheels, aluminum, 10-year limited warranty. Number 4. Briggs & Riley Baseline Carry-On Wheeled Garment Spinner. While some airlines will allow you to travel with a soft side garment sleeve to count as your carry-on as long as the total measurements are in line with the published rules, not all carriers don't publish these rules explicitly, which can make travel risky. Plus, if you're traveling with a garment bag to keep clothing pristine, chances are you won't want to run the risk of having to check it in, especially if you have a tight connection or an important event to attend. We've tested garment bags on 3 separate occasions officially, and this one stands out, not just as a luxury bag, but as the best wheeled carry-on style we've tested. We appreciated how this bag made use of space with corner pockets to fit additional clothing, outer pockets with room for a laptop, phone, charger, and other accessories, and even a power pocket to easily charge a phone. There was a small pocket that we found perfect when stashing items from our pockets when going through the TSA checkpoints, and an ideal spot for one pair of shoes. All this built-in organization made the capacity of this bag feel unexpectedly large, according to our tester. It's ideal for people who travel for work or formal events, and it easily fit our male tester's suit and dress clothes, but he noted it would fit longer dresses as well. The details: carry-on, 21 by 15.5 by 10.5 inches, 11.9 pounds, 44-liter capacity, 4 dual spinner wheels, ballistic nylon, lifetime guarantee. Number 5. Sterling Pacific 40L Cabin Travel Case. Sterling Pacific launched aluminum suitcases in 2021, and all of the details are high-end, from the suede interior and shiny silver X-strap buckles all the way to the included amenity kit with leather wax, a microfiber cloth, and an aluminum pen packed into a pouch that can also serve as a cosmetics case. This carry-on is also one of the most expensive bags we've ever tested in our lab, but our tests determined it's well worth the splurge as we all oot and out over this bag in person. Our senior testing editor, who now owns this bag, especially loved the soft leather handles, spacious enough to fit your hand without discomfort, though that does mean they jut out and make the overall dimensions technically larger. Even the trolley handle is smooth with a leather-wrapped handle and several adjustable heights. We love that it was among the largest in capacity of the aluminum carry-ons we've tested at 40 liters of space, and it easily fit the packing list for a 3-day trip with a little room to spare. It also includes a dust bag that you could use when checking the bag, but also keeps it safe when stashed at home. The details: carry-on, 22.5 by 14 by 9 inches, 12 pounds, 40-liter capacity, 4 dual spinner wheels, aluminum, lifetime warranty.